Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Litecoin formed a double bottom after the breakdown from a descending triangle on the 2-hour time frame chart. And after the formation of the double bottom, I was telling you that now there is a probability that we may break out a short-term resistance of $115. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared a few hours ago with you, this one. And now if we take a look at the live chart, and you can see that on this 2-hour time frame chart after the breakdown, we had this drop here. By the way, here we found a short-term support here at approximately $102. By the way, we have a long-term support here at $100. And the price then formed a double bottom here. And this was the short-term resistance of 100 and approximately at $114.6. That was previously breaking as support here, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here. But after the formation of this double bottom, we have broken out this resistance, and now there is a probability that the price end may soon try to break out this resistance of $135. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $135 has been previously working as a resistance here and support here, almost as support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Litecoin. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that Litecoin has broken out this wedge. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared in the month of May 2022 with my members. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup. And this move is also still in play because this move is formed on a monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 5th of November 2024 with my members. That was my most recent trade signal. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Litecoin formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup with buying on, the sell target on, and the stop loss was below this support of $63.22. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. So far, it has pumped almost 116%. Now, let me just show you a quite long-term trade signal for Litecoin that is formed on the monthly time frame chart, and that is a very big harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Litecoin has formed on the monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And by the way, I shared this trade signal with my members on 29th of May 2022. And you can see when I shared this signal at that time, it was moving approximately at $62. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price is geared up. And so far, it has pumped down almost up to $147. But the technical targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish candle move, are from $224 and goes to $348. And I'm expecting that soon it will hit these sell target zones. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me just show you the smaller time frame charts. And on a 2-hour time frame, you can see that Litecoin formed a descending triangle. And after the breakdown, we had a drop. And the technical target that I was telling you in my previous videos was here at this long-term support of short-term support of $115, and you can see that price and drop more than that. And this support that was previously breaking as support here was flipped into resistance. We got rejection here, and after this rejection, the price then formed another bottom here. This was the formation of a double bottom. And after the formation of this double bottom in my previous video that I shared a few hours ago with you, I was telling you that now there is a probability that we may break out this short-term resistance of $114 to $15. And after that, the price then came hit this long-term resistance of $135. And now you can see that the price line is moving towards the next resistance, forming higher highs and higher lows on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $135 has been previously breaking as a resistance here and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Litecoin. Now, on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern that I've been sharing with you for the past 2 years. I've been sharing with you two patterns. One was a harmonic bullish reversal setup with bullish Gartley. Another one was this falling wedge pattern that Litecoin formed on a weekly time frame chart. This move was formed on the monthly time frame chart, and this move is formed on a weekly time frame chart. And I've been telling you when it was moving here inside this wedge that now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time we can expect a breakout from this wedge. And after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. But you can see that after the breakout, we had a short rally, but the price could not break out this long-term resistance of $100. We got stable ejections. And now finally, we have broken out this resistance of $100. That is now flipped into a support. And recently, if we take a look at the 2-hour time frame chart, then you can see that we have also tested this previous resistance as support almost here as well. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge, and long-term technical target for this breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Bye.